Today we have a 2013 Infiniti G37 Coupe. It's an X, which means it's all-wheel drive. It's got a check engine light, which is a PO101, which is a mass airflow sensor. We're going to show you how to clean it or replace it and where that's located. This is your 3.7 motor in your Infiniti. It's about 330 horsepower. It's a little V6, peppy little motor. It's got dual intakes here. You got two air cleaners and you got two mass airflow sensors. There's one right here and there's one over here. So now if you happen to have like a P101 code, what you're gonna do first is try to clean your mass airflow sensors. So all we gotta do is come over here. It's gonna be the same for either side. So if we do this side, it'll be just the opposite on the other one, just the same thing. All we do is push in on this tab right here and pry it up, just like that right there. And then we're gonna take these out. We're just using our little 8 right there. Use a screwdriver or this. Either way it works just fine. One, want to make sure you don't drop it. Pull that out just like that. Okay, you can see you got your wires in there. And that is what we're going to clean. A lot of times if those get dirty, it'll throw a code. Now you got to use the mass airflow sensor cleaner. You don't want to use brake cleaner or anything else because this is what's designed for it. This dries quickly, doesn't leave residue. Spray in there. Now if this doesn't work, then we'll have to replace it. But it's definitely worth the effort to try to clean it first. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna reinstall it. As you see, you can't install it wrong. It's gotta be flipped the right way, otherwise the screw holes won't line up. So it's nice and easy like that. I would start these by hand so you don't drop a screw. I have to look for that. Get them started. Tighten them up here once we get them started. I'm using a little 1/4-inch drive. You can use a screwdriver or that, but it doesn't need a lot of pressure, of course. Okay, just like that, tighten off. Tighten off. Last thing we do is plug it in. Now this process is going to be exactly the same for the other side. Most cars don't have two of them like that, but since this is a high-performance vehicle, it does. And that's all it takes to clean or replace a mass airflow sensor on a 2013 Infiniti G37X.